Alright, we're going to take a look at a new Zippo that just arrived. Right, now this one came in the normal Zippo black box with a couple of extra features on it. It's got the Jack Daniels digital code right there. And it is a Jack Daniels Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And you can see on the inside it's got the Jack Daniels logo right there. And it says Jack Daniels and Old No.7 are registered trademarks used under license to Zippo manufacturing company, etc., etc. So this is a semi-collectible box, little black box. Let's take a look at this Zippo, and it is on a high polish finish, and it is the Old No.7. The Old No.7 brand on a high polish finish. Really good sound. Fires up nice. And this one was made in, it looks like G of 16, which is July of this year. Of course, it was made in Bradford, PA. That is the Old No.7 brand by Jack Daniels. Let's do a drop test. Let's do another drop test. Okay, 2 drop tests. Still works good. Didn't fire up. Come on, fire up. There we go. Fired up. Let's do a drop test with this thing lit from about 2 feet. Okay, it's lit up. Okay, you can see it stayed lit from about 2 feet. So it passed the drop test. No rattle, no breakage, still works, sounds good, and it does light. That is the Zippo. Old No.7 Jack Daniels brand. We'll put that there, and I do have one other Jack Daniels brass Zippo. It's Tennessee Whiskey. There's the Old No.7. You can see it right there in the middle. This has a huge plaque on it. Doesn't sound real good. I could get it to work if I wanted to. Now this was made in, let's see, that says A of XV in Bradford, PA. Let's see what XV is according to the identification chart. This is the Zippo regular lighter identification code chart, and XV looks like 1999. So that brass Zippo was made in 1999. And since it was made in the USA, let's give it a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.